Here we are going to upload a design already we have in our system. Click on the Upload Your Design option and choose the image from your system. If you need to add a text extra, you can add the text by clicking the text icon and can write according to your need. You can position the text, change the size, warping, color, font, and alignment. From the attributes you can choose the name attribute, program name, issuing institution, signatories name, custom field, date of issue, license number, unique number, QR code and barcode. Also you can adjust these attributes. After adding the attributes and text, you can simply click on the Save button and you can see the preview of the design you created.